Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here's your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium. I'll start with LME 3-month copper. A combined bearish opening black Mariposa and bearish engulfing pattern yesterday. To be honest, making a bearish engulfing pattern was not that hard, given that the previous session was an indecisive spinning top. And you could argue the previous three sessions were indecisive patterns as well. Anyway, the market punched down and closed below the long moving average, currently 97.14. Plus also two lesser Fibonacci levels at 96.65 and 96.46. All these are now resistances. Congestion at 96.06 saw a breach below, but the market closed right on it. The action went some further way in filling in the gap left over from last weekend, but the bottom of the gap was 95.55. So far today, a lower open and a fresh move lower, finally filling in the gap left over from last weekend. Below we have limited supports with some possible from the May-based uptrend 95.42, but that's giving way at the moment. Even it's only a 2-pointer anyway. We also have some support from the rising short moving average, surprisingly, but we do, and that's at 94.87. Well, the market could easily drop down to the 50% Fibonacci line of the January 2021 to March 2022 move at 92.75. LME 3-month aluminium. For those of you that listened and watched my commentary yesterday, well, you may remember I was somewhat surprised by the bullish white soldier on Wednesday, as I thought it was generated from nothing, as the previous Tuesday session was an indecisive doji cross. Well, I was not the only one, as yesterday market made a combined key reversal down and bearish engulfing pattern, if only just on the latter. However, the supports I highlighted yesterday, the twin supports below of small congestion zone between 27.53 and 57, and the stronger congestion band between 26.66 and 27.18, well, the smaller congestion zone ended up not only halting the market from going low, but also acting as a closing support. Overall, this is now going some way towards answering a question I've posed on recent moves. Is the action from late March today, especially during May, a big bearish halfway hesitation, or is it a double bottom in the making? Right now, it is still too early to say which it will be, but I suspect we may be heading towards an answer, and soon. Meanwhile, overhead, the combination of the May 2020 to date broken but optimized uptrend, currently at 28.62, and the short moving average, currently 28.42, have capped efforts on the top side, whilst the congestion below is holding up the market. There is further layered support below, but I will reveal those here and on my chart, but soon, not today. So far today, well, a follow-on lower to yesterday's key reversal down and bearish engulfing pattern, taking on a congestion band 26.66 to 27.18. That includes a May low at 26.97.5. And the market was pushing just below it, but tentatively. Thank you for listening to short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyrights Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here comes the final bit.